How to play Roblox like PC on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, we'll delve into the intriguing realm of playing Roblox on portable devices such as smartphones and tablets, akin to the familiar experience on the personal computer. Upon acquiring Roblox from either the Google Play Store or the Apple's App Store and initiating the application on your Android or iOS gadget, you will promptly discern notable disparities compared to the PC iteration. The user interfaces, as well as the overall gameplay encounters, exhibit unique characteristics tailored for mobile platforms. Despite thorough exploration of the various configurations and features, there exists no direct approach to emulate the precise interface of the PC version on a mobile device. Even enduring to access the Roblox platform through the mobile web browser redirects users to produce the designated Android or iOS variant. Any endeavor to obtain the PC edition on your handheld device proves fruitless, necessitating the installation of the compatible Roblox version specifically designed for your mobile device. The primary objective of this video presentation is to elucidate the fact that duplicating the immersive Roblox experience from the PC into the mobile device remains an unattainable endeavor. If this elucidation accurately addresses your inquiries and concerns, we kindly encourage you to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing to our channel for additional informative content. We sincerely appreciate your viewership and support. See you in the next one.